Today I'm going to be helping Noelle on her fraction word problem. So we're gonna help her in two parts. So for the first part is Rachel has a dozen crumbled chocolate chip cookies to share with her friends. Dario eats 2 3/4 cookies. Faith eats half the number of cookies Dario eats. How many cookies are left for Rachel to eat or to share with her friends? So right here we know that Dario eats 2 3/4 cookie and Faith eats half of what Dario eats. But in order to be able to solve this, we need to find the exact number. So we're gonna have to multiply the fraction. So we know we're gonna write down 2 3/4 to represent Dario. And we're going to multiply that by 1/2 to represent half of what Faith eats. So in order to do this, we have to turn this into a fraction and not a mixed fraction. So we are going to multiply here and add over here. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So this turns into 11/4. So that now that we have this number, we're going to multiply. So it's going to be 11/4 times 1/2. And that equals to 1 times 1 is 11. And 4 times 2 is 8. So 11/8 equals the number of cookies Faith ate. So now that we know it's 11/4, we're gonna be using some manipulatives and fraction strips to show you. So Dario, he ate 2 cookies. So each of these 2 long strips equal 1 cookie. So 1, 2. And we know that he ate 3/4. So this is 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4. And now we know that Faith ate 11/8 cookies. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11/8. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add these 2 to make it a whole cookie. So that means now we have 1, 2, 3 cookies, and then we add these. This represents another whole cookie, and we have 1/8 left. So that means they ate 4 cookies with 1/8 left over. And another way that we can represent it is by drawing. So in our second part, it's saying that Noelle estimates Dario ate about 3 cookies and Faith ate about 1.5 cookies. She concludes that Rachel should have about 7 cookies left over. So another way we can do that is to show this in drawings. So for Dario, we're gonna shade in. We can say based on this, he did eat 3 cookies. So we're gonna shade in 3. And Faith ate 1 whole cookie. And we have 1/8 left over. So what I did is I divided this into 8 equal parts. And to represent 1/8, we are only going to be filling in 1 little piece. And the amount of cookies we have left over are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can say that Noelle's estimate that Rachel has 7 cookies left is correct. Thank you.